Hello again. Today we are inside a sandstone pothole, not a kettle hole, too small to be a kettle hole, a sandstone pothole. They're pretty cool. It's just a little tiny hole scoured out in a rock layer. And this one actually has super fine laminations, which is really neat. This is an up close picture. Anyway, we are doing constellations today. So let's take a look. Over here, we have somewhere, there it is. Okay. I'm not sure what that's about there. Get rid of that. Here is your Constellation Lab folder. Open that guy up. And the directions, okay, are here. For this lab, you are submitting a PowerPoint presentation. Now, if you want to do a Prezi, if you want to do it in Google Docs, you absolutely can, okay? Google Docs has like a free version of the Microsoft Suite, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So Google Docs is absolutely fine. And then you just have to make your link shareable, and then you copy and paste your link into the assignment interface. So when you go here, okay, you will have to upload the file. So you just, browse your files, upload your document, and there you go. This lab is pretty straightforward. You are going to be doing a total of, I forget, 5, I think it's 5 constellations. And you can draw them by hand and take a picture and upload that up into your PowerPoint. Or you can use the really cool Skyview app. If you go on your apps on your phone and just type in, Constellation app, any of those are absolutely fine. And then you just point them to the night sky, and the whole night sky will show up on your phone. What's really cool about that app is you can actually like point down towards the ground, and it will show you what is, in like Siberia and China, what constellations they can see from their surface, which I think is really neat about those apps. But if you want to stick to the ones that we can actually see in our night sky, go for it. And if you are a stargazer, if you have a telescope, by all means, pick your favorite constellations. The Big Dipper and the Little Dipper do not count as different constellations. Okay, please don't. If you're going to use one or both, put them all on the same slide. That's one. Okay, they're the same thing, basically. They're just different spots. You need to do the constellation and then the direction in the night sky that you find it. Okay, so north, south, east, west, and then the date that you see it. Okay, and then you get any bonus points for including any planets that were visible during the week that you conducted your lab. So pretty straightforward, a really fun lab in my opinion. And then make a PowerPoint. Now listen, make it nice, okay? Have a title slide, your name, the lab title, the title of the course. If you used an app or if you used any resources, you must include those at the end, okay? And if you're gonna use your pictures, make sure that you include the information with those pictures, type it in a text box. And if you're just, uploading like a plain photo, about like a hand drawing on paper, make your slide look nice. So give it a border, choose a theme or something in PowerPoint or Google Docs, right? Make it look, like it's college material. And the Skyview app, to get those pictures, you just do a screenshot, okay, and send it to yourself. However you can send things. You can airdrop, email, Facebook, so many different ways to send yourself a photo. All right, and so that's it. So if you have any questions, of course, always email me, and we will see you in the next lab.